this is how bright it is. Look at that, really bright. And this is my kitchen. Normally I would not be able to fly something like this, but because we have a light, we can fly it indoors in the dark area. And this is indoors right now because it's raining outdoors. We can't take it. And you can see, I'm gonna try to make a stop now. Look at that. It well lit. It worked out so it worked out great with the actual light. All right. When you think you got all the attachments for your Neo, if you bought a Neo, I actually have a frame for in case it hits a wall. You know, it has a little metal piece. But now look at this. If you're gonna fly at night and you can't see your drone, this is perfect. You can fly high, and I'm gonna show you what I mean. All right. Now this has built-in batteries, LED lights all around it, on and off button. All right, and this attaches over your existing battery. All right, so you click on the button. Look at that. Look how bright it is. Turn it off and on. And we're gonna fly our drone indoors first to see how bright it is in here. And then look at this. It just attaches to any battery you have. Say you have your battery, we're gonna attach it to our battery here. All right, lock it in place. This thing, if you guys can see it, it just clips on, right? There's a clip-on area right here, right above it. You see these little two indentations right here. It doesn't block the sensors. It goes right over it, all right? And that's pretty much it. That's how we have it. Weight-wise, it's very light. It's not gonna provide too much weight to it. It's a couple of grams on it, but really simple just to fly your drone indoors or outdoors. If you're gonna fly outdoors at night and you want a visual of where your drone's at, this is perfect. And the battery, and it's bright. I'm gonna take it out at night so you guys can see how bright it is. Where it's gonna fly. Says navigation error system. It's all right. Take off. All right, there it goes.
Home point updated.
Gonna go straight up. All right, there you guys see it. Go higher. All right, let's see if I could get it. There it is. I can see it high. I'm gonna record. All right, we're flying super high right now. I don't know how high we are, but we are. You can see it from far away. I'm actually looking at the city light, looking around. Oh, there it is. It is just almost out of my sight right there. If you guys can see it, it's probably I'm about 900 feet almost. Really high. So let's go higher.
Max altitude reached.
Okay, max altitude reach. We are really far up. It says 6.2.
Max altitude reached. Max altitude reached.
Point down where I am. See where it says home? That's how far we are, guys. Looking up, and you can see it really far up. Okay, we're gonna bring it back down by hitting home. It is high. coming down slowly. Coming down slowly. You can see it there. And I'm gonna chase it here. It's gonna land. Oop. Oh, oh, there it goes. Landing. It's about, here it is. And there it is. Look at that. Wall lid. Hit the maximum altitude. You still can see it from light. Very simple. I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.